I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the battery in your Toyota key fob. Now these smart fobs can look a little bit different, but these Toyota fobs generally open the same way. Super easy. I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. We provide do-it-yourself car key and car fob programming services. So we make it super easy for you to make another fob like this or another key for your vehicle. Simply visit our website, tomskey.com, where you can place an order to get the equipment so you can program it yourself and save a bunch of money over the cost of car dealership charges. To replace the battery, simply pull out the key and you're going to look for this little slot on the end. Insert the tip of the blade into the fob and give it a little twist. Just like that, and it'll pop open. Once you get inside, you can access the battery. It's really easy. Just get your fingernail or maybe a little screwdriver, but you want to be careful again that you're not scratching anything. There's a few clips on here. We're just going to get that battery worked out. When you're all done, simply put it back together. Get everything lined up. Be sure the silicone pads and the buttons are in the right spots, and then simply close the clamshell up. Takes a little bit of force or pressure, and just like that. We look forward to helping you with all your car key and remote needs. If you need a battery, we'll include a link in the description below where you can pick those up as well. So go visit tomskey.com and we'll help you out. Get you another smart key fob like this for keyless entry or another remote like that. Thanks and have a great day.